as a special treat, because you've made it to the end of the baking part of your program, let's make some macaron. Why macaron? I don't know. They're delicious, they're chewy, they're crunchy, they're creamy, and they're so cute to look at. So we can change the color, we can change the flavor, and you'll see that they're pretty easy to make. Once you get the knack, you could make them for a business, you could make them for your friends, and you'll no longer have to spend $2 a piece or more when you see them in the store. So let's get started with macaron.